Welcome to Fanny Magnet. Right now in this video I'll show you how you can hide or how you can lock the important files and folders on your Windows computer. Now this process is applicable for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. Before we start the video, let me tell you that if you are in a situation like me who where one computer is shared between two family members or three like children's and your wife, then you must watch this video as this video is going to be helpful for you. So as you can see that I have created one folder. The name of the folder is important files. Okay, now let's assume that in this folder you have saved some important information and you don't want this information to be checked by anyone in your family member, and also this can be helpful if hackers are trying to attack your computer, they will not find this kind of information. So let's come back to the point. As if you don't want this information to be seen by anyone in the family member, you can definitely lock the whole folder, lock the whole file so that it cannot be viewed by anyone. Now the process is very simple. If you see here, I have a script. Okay, the script is in below description for Windows 7 and 10 and Windows 8, so you can take down the script from the description below. Now if I open this script, you will see bunch of codings here. Okay, you don't need to get into the whole, just here if you see it says your password. Okay, in this place you have to type what password you want to keep for your script to unlock the files. Let's assume that in my case I will keep it as 1 2 3 4 5, and then click on file, then go to save as, and you have to select the destination of this important files folder. Okay, or whatever folder you have selected here, and from the drop down select all files. In the file name you can name anything you want. Okay, so I'll just keep it as data.bat. Now important part is, what you can name anything, but after dot it should be bat. Okay, then click on save, and then you can close this text box. Now if you see that the data script has been created, now this is a batch file. Okay, so the process is very simple again. So the second step is just double click on that and you will have a locker folder. Now this locker folder will be act as a locker for your folder. Okay, so that you can save any important information in this folder and that will not be seen by anyone who do not have a password. Now let's assume that I want to hide the bank details and the credit card information. Now if I open this, you can see that there are two folders. So let's go back, and here the data. Okay, you have to do the same thing again. Double click on the data and it will ask you that are you sure you want to lock the folder. You just have to type yes, that is Y, and hit enter, and then you will see that the folder got hidden. Okay, so that whenever people will come and they will try to open any files, they will not able to find that important folder thing. And even in case if they try to double click on this scripting, it will ask for the password, and if they type it wrong something, it is not going to work. So let's assume that you come back from your work and you want to access those files. You have to do the same thing. Just open that important file folder and then double click on data. Now it will ask you for the password. You have to make sure that you type the password which you just have set and then hit enter, and here you will have that locker folder back. So if you will open it, you can see all your information. Now in case if you want to change the password for that locker folder, the process is simple again. Right click on this data script and click on edit, and then go back to the same place. The password is 12345, so let's assume that I will keep it as 111. So with the help of this, you will able to even change the password every time. Okay, then just click on X and it will ask you that do you want to save it. Just say yes. Now let's assume that we'll try to, you know, lock the folder now. Okay, the folder got hidden. So let's try to open it, and with the new password, let's try with the old password first. 1 2 3 4 5. You see it is not doing anything. Now let's try with the new password, that is 111, and here we go. So this was a simple step by which you can save your important files and folders. You can hide the important files and folders from your family member, from the hackers, from the people who are trying to get unauthorized access to your computer. So if you think this video was worth watching, hit the like button. I make these kind of videos every week, so you can subscribe to the channel. And as always, thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.